In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Music not connecting to Bluetooth. If your Apple Music won't play through your Bluetooth headphones, speaker, or car, don't worry. It's often due to a hiccup with your Bluetooth connection, audio output, or iPhone settings rather than Apple Music itself. Let's walk through the steps to solve this issue together. First, make sure your Bluetooth device is connected. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth. Look for your headphones, speaker, or car stereo in the list. Verify that it shows connected next to the device name. If it doesn't, simply tap on the device name to connect it. Ensuring a solid connection is crucial for seamless playback. Once you have confirmed the connection, let's move to the next step, selecting the right audio output. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Locate the now playing controls, then tap the AirPlay or audio output button. Choose your Bluetooth device as the playback destination. Sometimes, music might play through your iPhone speaker even when Bluetooth is connected. This step ensures the correct device is selected. Next up, let's reset the Bluetooth connection. Head back to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off by toggling the switch. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Reconnect your device and you're all set. This simple reset can often resolve connectivity issues. If the problem persists, it's time to restart both devices. Begin by restarting your iPhone. Then turn your Bluetooth accessory off and back on. Reconnect the devices and try playing music again. This can refresh the connection and clear any temporary glitches. At this point, if you're still having trouble, let's try forgetting and repairing the Bluetooth device. Open Settings, then tap on Bluetooth. Look for the Timia coin next to your device and tap it. Choose Forget this device, then put your accessory back into pairing mode and pair it again. Repairing can often solve persistent connection issues. Additionally, ensure your accessory is in good working condition. Make sure it's charged or plugged in and within Bluetooth range, which is about 10 meters or 33 feet. If your accessory has a companion app, check for any firmware updates. Keeping your devices updated can prevent many issues. Now let's make sure your iPhone is up to date. Go to Settings, then tap on General and choose Software Update. Install any available iOS update, then test Apple Music again. Software updates can fix bugs that might be causing connectivity issues. As a last resort, you can reset your network settings. Open Settings, then tap on General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings, so you'll need to reconnect them afterward. If the problem only occurs with Apple Music but other apps like YouTube or Spotify work fine over Bluetooth, check Apple's system status. Look for any Apple Music service issues. Alternatively, try signing out of media and purchases in your settings and signing back in. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Apple Music connectivity issues with Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you enjoy your music seamlessly.